Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today in this video, let's learn about how to sign up on Betfair account. So let's get started. For that, let's get into any browser and search for Betfair exchange and click on this first link over here. Now over here we can see this option that is login/join. So let's tap on that. Now over here in the bottom we can see this option that is join now. So let's tap on this one. Now we need to enter our details here. Now enter date of birth. Now after that simply click on continue to step 2. Here we need to enter our contact details like email address, password, and we can add the security questions as well. Once you are done all of this, we need to enter the details of our deposit limit. Once you are done with all of the information, simply click on sign up over here. After this, we'll finally get into Betfair interface. So that was all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.